Financial ability questions. Examining your financial ability is very much important because, in order to study in the world's largest economy, that is the United States, you need to be financially sound and capable of managing your expenses. So, you must ask yourself a question: what do I keep with me during the interview to show that I have adequate funds to complete my program? You must keep with you all the important documents relating to finances, such as bank statements, savings, etc. During the visa interview, the interviewer will want to know whether you have adequate funding to complete your program or not. You need to show him that you or your sponsors have enough money to successfully fund your US study program. The rule is that you need to document the full amount needed to fund your expenses, both tuition and living, along with your transportation and other costs for the first year. And you can explain how you will fund the rest of your program as well by showing adequate expected funds from reliable sources. Applicants for the M1 visa must fully document funding for the entire planned study period. You or your sponsor should have filled out an affidavit of support form guaranteeing that funds will be available for your needs during your stay as a part of university's application process. You will want to bring the signed document with supporting notarized bank documents to your visa interview, such as signed dated letter from bank official indicating that your sponsor has minimum balance available or an original bank statement with the balance clearly stated. If you're taking family members with you to the United States, you'll be expected to show adequate funding for their needs. Remember that dependents of students are not permitted to engage in paid work in United States at all. If you are leaving out your family members who are dependent on you at home, then the consular officer will want to know how they will be supported while you're studying. Usually, the most essential additional materials to support your case will include original bank books or statements covering at least 3 months of transactions, information from bank on length of account existence and average account balance, tax forms showing annual income, proof of other assets such as ownership of business, property, stock, etc., and documents showing that a scholarship has been awarded to you.